tutuuse essaawa eno tutandike okumanya ani anaatwala NRM okusukkawo. Kakati tewali tabbu lwaki tetukikola era tewali nsonga lwaki ba vice chair ne bacheya baabwe tebasupportinga nsonga eyo. Bw'abanga honorable speaker ye candidate asinga obulungi then tewali tabbu.
Naye singa ekiseera kituuka bakandidates abalala ne bajja tugende Namboole tuba tusalawo ani anaabeera presidential candidate. Singa Kadaga abeera ngazze ng'omwe yeegwanyiza tujja kutunuulira ye, tunuulire President Museveni, tunuulire n'abalala banajja tulabe ani gwe tunaasobola okusupportinga.
Actually, Uganda is tired of President Museveni. So the earlier we start looking for people to succeed President Museveni, the healthy it is for us. And I would encourage even my chairman, Honorable Tashobia, to stand for presidency. I would even encourage Kadaga. Actually, I would even be very willing to support Kadaga's bid.
It is unfortunate to hear that Ugandans are tired of Museveni. Odongo To is speaking as individual. President Museveni got 63%. And therefore, you have no right to say Ugandans are tired of President Museveni. You should give credit where it is due. You should appreciate what President Museveni has done for this country. And if you